Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to download WordPress in InfinityFree. This is infinityfree.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Wait for the Cloudflare verification and click on sign in. Click on the web hosting where you want to download WordPress. Click on this Siftaculous installer big button. Below WordPress, click on this install button. First, select between going with HTTP or HTTPS. If it is possible for you to go with the S, it's recommended for better security. Select the website you want to download WordPress on from this list and go with the latest WordPress version for better security. Give your WordPress website a name and a description from here. And here, fill in your WordPress administrator username. I will go with Ben. For the administration password, go with a strong password that you can remember. Fill in your email address here. Select your WordPress site language from this list. I will go with English. And below advanced options, you can rename your database. I recommend you to rename your database after your WordPress website for easy management. Now click on this install blue button and wait a moment. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Infinity Free online course today for free. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Infinity Free, how to manage your website inside this free hosting, also how to manage your domain and SSL certificate, file management and FTP, how to manage your WordPress website in InfinityFree, and also advanced configurations like these ones. To get all of this for free today, plus these courses, and also the upcoming free courses on my university, all you need to do is to visit university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now your WordPress is downloaded successfully on InfinityFree. Click on this link to visit your new WordPress website. This is your WordPress website homepage. To visit your WordPress dashboard, just click on the second link. And this is how to download WordPress in InfinityFree. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.